guys! As the plantain queen of West Africa, we're going to be making a plantain recipe using the LG Neochef Microwave. Oh yeah!
We're going to start off by washing those plantains. You want to make sure they are clean. Make a cut and get it out of the skin. Now once you have it looking like this, you're going to dice that up into fine squares. And this is how I usually do that. You can do that on your chopping board also, so you don't hurt yourself. Now you cut out those plantains, it looks like that. Pop that into your bowl, and then I'm going to be adding some seasoning. Now it's time to fry. Add your vegetable oil, fry your plantain until it's lovely and golden brown, just like this. Take them out, and then I'm going to be placing that on a paper towel so you can absorb the excess oil. Now for the next part, I'm going to be dicing up some cheese. What you want to use is mozzarella cheese, the exact cheese that you use for your pizza. I had some meat sauce from earlier, so I'm putting that at the base of my ramekin. Putting your plantains, putting that cheese. You're going to keep layering until you get to the top and finish off with that mozzarella cheese. Now we're going to place that once again into our LG Neochef Microwave. And guys, can you see how excited I am? I'm going to be using the grill function, and guys, wait for it, and guys, this is what we have. It's cheesy, it's delicious, it's so good. Now tell me, will you be trying this? Chai.
Not what you just watch and you think you can do it too. Join the LG Insider community. See, you get a chance to try out this LG Neochef Microwave, and you see the link in my bio. Go and join today. And remember guys, life's good.